Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this summer makeup look with a lot of pink in it. During summer, we can pull off bright makeup looks that looks really refreshing. Also, hot pink eyeshadows are on trend, so this is a good time to try such bright eye makeup. This video is also gonna be helpful for oily skin girls क्योंकि oily skin के लिए भी कुछ tips इस video में मैं बताऊंगी. So let's start the makeup look by applying a toner. Applying a toner will be the first step to get oil-free skin. टोनर स्किन को थोड़े टाइम के लिए ड्राई कर देती है जिससे कि आपका स्किन बहुत जल्दी ऑयली नहीं दिखेगी. In the next step to get rid of that oiliness on the skin during summer, we can apply a gel-based moisturizer. This moisturizer from Sugarpop makes the surface of the skin matte but keeps on hydrating the skin for a long time. Next step for a summer makeup look would be applying a mattifying primer, and PAC Pore Primer is my all-time favorite. ये स्किन को मैटिफाई तो करता ही है, साथ में पोर्स को भी मिनिमाइज करता है. In the next step, we will apply a foundation, and we need to apply a foundation that gives matte finish and high coverage. Because hydrating foundation या फिर लो कवरेज वाले फाउंडेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक टिकेंगे नहीं स्किन पर. So here I'm using Forever 52 foundation which gives high coverage. It gives matte finish without any dryness on the skin. The next step is optional, but if you want your eyebrows to look bushy and you want to maintain the shape of your brows, then you can apply a brow wax. The brow wax here I'm applying is from Swiss Beauty and it does a good job. If you have dark circles or prominent dark spot on your skin, you can apply a corrector. This one is from Inside Cosmetics and it's a beige color corrector which is very helpful to cover any grayness near your eyes or any dark spots. You can skip this step if you do not have any prominent dark circle or dark spot on your skin. For brightening up your skin, you need to have a light color concealer. ब्राइट कलर का कंसीलर अगर अप्लाई करोगे सेंटर ऑफ द फेस में तो अच्छा डायमेंशन आएगा फेस पर. I'm using a concealer brush and tapping the product to blend everything nicely. Just remember that you have applied foundation underneath and if you drag your concealer, foundation भी अपनी जगह से move हो सकता है. इसीलिए कंसीलर ब्लेंड करते टाइम ब्रश में बहुत ही कम प्रेशर दे और स्मूथली ब्लेंड करे डैबिंग मोशन में. So here you saw I applied this brightening concealer on the center of my face, on the nose, on the chin to just bring the features forward. ऐसा करने से नोज का शेप भी पॉइंटी और स्लिम दिखेगा. In the next step, we will set everything with a powder, which is a very important step. But if you have oily skin, this is one of the products that you need to keep in your makeup bag. Lakme's matte complexion powder keeps the skin matte for a really long time and prevents oiliness. So summer makeup kit में ये product आप ज़रूर अपने makeup kit पे रखिए. Next, I'll add color to my brows, and as usual, I'm taking this PAC Brow Cream. I use this product in all the seasons, but for summer, it could be a very good product for those who have oily skin because this does not smudge. Within a minute of application, it sets and does not fade away. तो आपका वो पाउडर आईब्राउ प्रोडक्ट जो आप हमेशा से लगाते आए हो समर टाइम में अगर वर्क नहीं करता तो ऐसे क्रीम बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर सकते हो. फिर मैंने कंसीलर से ब्राउज के बॉटम पार्ट को क्लीन कर लिया है ताकि आईब्राउज शार्प दिखे. Now for today's bright pink eye makeup look, I've got a product from Half and Half, and this is really good eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadows are very pigmented, they do not fall out, and you also do not need to put so much effort to get that pigmentation. You just need a dense brush to have the maximum pigmentation. And the key to get a very vibrant, bright eye makeup look, you need to pack the eyeshadow first, then blend it. Pack as much as you can without having too much of fallout. And once you cover the desired areas, you just blend the edges with a fluffy brush. To blend the edges, you can take the same shade or a lighter shade to have gradation of colors. Likewise, you can apply the same pink shade on your lower lash line or a lighter shade. Do apply a black kajal अगर आप मेरे जैसे हैं और black kajal को skip नहीं कर सकते. If you apply a champagne shade in the inner corners, that also adds glow to your eye makeup. Finally, I will apply a waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascara ही यूज़ करना, कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना क्योंकि स्वेटिंग के वजह से आपका मस्कारा फेड हो सकता है और पूरा आई मेकअप ही ख़राब हो सकता है. I'm not gonna apply any falsies for a simple daytime summer makeup look, so I'm focusing on curling my lashes as much as I can. बहुत छोटे छोटे लैशेस है और वो कर्ल भी अच्छे से नहीं होता, बट फिर भी मैंने कोशिश की और वो अच्छे ही दिखे फाइनली. Now I'm applying a bronzer, and during summer you can go with the earthy tone of a bronzer जिसका अंडरटोन येलो हो और थोड़ा सा वो सन टैनिंग जैसा इफेक्ट भी दे. रिमेल का सनब्रॉन्ज शेड बहुत ही बढ़िया है समर के लिए. नोज़ कॉन्टूरिंग करूँगी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये कलर, स्पेशली ऑन अ मीडियम स्किन लाइक माइन. For my blush, again I'm taking a bright pink shade. I just wanted to match my eyeshadow and blush and my lipstick. Instead of pink, you can also apply a bright coral or orange shade. This blusher from Swiss Beauty is a good one. It is pigmented and does not fade away too soon. For highlighter, I'm taking Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter because it's really glowing and it's creamy, very easy to apply and does not look powdery. The pink lipstick I have is from Rimmel Cosmetics. First, I'm outlining my lips with a fuchsia pink lip liner from Wet n Wild and smudging it in. Then I'll apply the lipstick. पहले तो मैंने सिर्फ लिपस्टिक ही अप्लाई किया. Then I thought the color is looking a little bit darker than what I wanted. So लिप्स के बीच में मैंने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया लिप कलर को थोड़ा सा लाइटन करने के लिए सेंटर में से. This turned out good और इससे मेरा लिप कलर थोड़ा सा और मैट भी बन गया. फाइनली ये जो आपने मेहनत किया पूरा का पूरा इसको सील करने के लिए एक मैटिफाइंग सेटिंग स्प्रे यूज़ करना, which will make your makeup long lasting even in summer. And applying a mattifying setting spray was the last step of doing a summer makeup. Let me know in the comment box if you enjoyed watching this summer makeup tutorial. There is another summer makeup look I posted in the last month, so if you want to check that out, you can click on the link. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel because those are the things I need to keep on posting content on my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.